If you want to switch between your profiles on VS Code, it's pretty simple. Just follow these simple steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to switch between profiles in VS Code, head over to manage settings here, or settings, and click on it. Then from here you can see we have an option for profile. If you hover over it, you can see I have two profiles. I have the default profile and I have this AI account profile. You can also click on profiles and this will list all the profiles that you currently have. Now to switch to a new profile, for instance, to switch from this active default one to this AI account profile, just head over it, click on it, and if you click on this open new window with this profile, now we shall have the second profile opened, as you can see here. And if I click on this and hover over to profile, you can see now AI account is the current profile. So that's how you can switch between your profiles on VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.